Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Amazon Associates earnings for US accounts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from your Amazon Associates account, begin by logging into your Amazon Associates dashboard. Navigate to the reports section located in the top menu of your dashboard. Select Earnings. Here, you will see your total earnings and the payment status of your account. Next, check if your earnings have reached the payment threshold. For US accounts, the minimum payment threshold is $10. If your balance is above the threshold, proceed to the account settings. Locate and click on Payment and Tax Information. Review your current payment method. If it's not set up or needs updating, select Edit to choose your preferred payment method. You can opt for direct deposit or Amazon gift cards. To select direct deposit, you will need to provide your bank account details. Fill in your account number and routing number accurately. Once you've filled out the information, save your changes. If you prefer Amazon gift cards, you can select that option as well. After confirming your payment method, return to the reports section. It may take a few days for your earnings to process. Once processed, your payment will be transferred according to your selected method. For direct deposit, check your bank account for the deposit. For gift cards, you can find your balance in your Amazon account. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section for guidance. Remember to keep your payment information up to date to avoid delays. Now you can enjoy your earnings from the Amazon Associates program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.